Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Spain. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2013 Ford Falcon FG XT sedan, stock reference number 4596. This shape runs from the 10th month 2011 through to the 12th month 2016. It has an EcoBoost 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. EcoBoost 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the right hand side. We have the bonnet, radiator grille, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has an average tyre, left power door mirror, both left hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre, left hand tail light, it's got a tidy rear park sensor type bumper bar. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, non-illuminated type. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise, audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.